Hi guys, this is Tasnim. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this monochromatic pink look because I love the color pink. I'm absolutely in love with it, and here's a little clip of me flaunting the makeup in natural light. So let's get started. I already did one eye off camera and taped off the edges so that I have a nice crisp look at the end. I also did my brows. So from this Revolution eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take that hot pink shade Ringleader and I'm gonna pack it on my eyelid using a smudging brush. You want to keep on packing this shade until you are satisfied with the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to be taking that light pink bubblegummy shade in a blending brush and I'm going to be blending off the edges of that hot pink shade in round circular motions. So you basically want to apply this light pink shade on your crease. And now I'm going to be packing that hot pink shade again on my eyelid, because when you blend out the eyeshadow, the pigmentation kind of goes away. So you want to keep on packing and blending until you are satisfied with the whole pigmentation. I did this a couple of times, and then finally I took that darker pink shade and applied it to my eyelid and blended it all in. After that, I'm going to be taking off the tapes off, and as you guys can see, I have a nice crisp eyeshadow. I also cleaned out the fallout off camera and also applied some winged eyeliner and lashes off camera. Moving on to base makeup. For this, I went with the LA Girl matte primer. This is silicone based, so it's gonna keep my face matte and also keep my pores filled in. I'm going to be using this LA Girl foundation in the shade Light Tan. It is my perfect shade. It will give you a matte finish. So if you have oily skin, I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. I love it. It gives you a medium to full coverage. Okay, so now moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10. This is one shade lighter than my skin tone, so I like to use this as a concealer. And as you guys can see, and I'm applying it like in 3 dots. You do not have to draw a whole triangle under your eyes. This just makes your eye look like eye makeup cakey under your eyes, so just apply it like this. And since that created a harsh edge on my eyeshadow, I'm just blending out the edges in the inner corners using a blending brush. After that, I applied the same hot pink shade on my under eyes, and I forgot that I was filming, so I was looking completely down. I'm really sorry about it. And then blended out the edges using that same clean blending brush. Finally, I took that pink shade from the Technic eyeshadow palette and highlighted my inner corners, and finishing off the eye look using this Benefit mascara. Going back to the base makeup again, I'll be using this LA Girl cream contour in what shade I don't remember, will be mentioned in the description box. If you saw my other YouTube video where I was trying this product out, you would have seen me struggle with it. I applied loads and loads of it on my face and it got pretty muddy. So the technique with cream contouring is you want to apply a little product and then blend upwards and then slowly build up the product. Do not apply so much all at once, or else it's gonna end up looking muddy. I applied it also on my temples. I have a small forehead, so I didn't have to apply much. And then going in with blush, I'll be using this Milani blush palette. Again, I do not remember the shade name, will be mentioned in the description box. I applied to the apples of my cheeks and slowly dragged it upwards, and also slightly on my nose, a little Rudolph's nose. And finally for lipstick, this is the Physians Formula lipstick. Don't remember the shade. It is a mild lips but better kind of a shade. However, it wasn't completely matching to the eye look. So what I did was I took the same eyeshadow I applied on my eyelid, Ringleader, and applied it to the center of my lips. This gave me the most matte but perfect monochromatic lips, like which match the eyeshadow. I hope I explained it right, but that's about it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye.